Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Two Phones, back again with another informative video. I just got some exciting products in the mail today, and it was about something I recently discussed on my YouTube channel earlier this week, just in time for Valentine's Day. Although Valentine's Day was yesterday, but for those that had a chance, opportunity to make an order and get your products, this was for the Nuu Mobile G3 Plus promotion. You get the Nuu Mobile G3 phone, and you will get 3 accessories, including free phone service with the price of 1 smartphone device. Now, with the phone already, you get a dongle, you get an extra case included with the device. But now, you get extra protection from Tudia, and you get the pop socket, pop socket from Nuu Mobile, and it has the Nuu Mobile branding. Also, once again, you get 3 months of free service from Mint Mobile, 5 gigs of data each month for 3 months. So this is a great starter package. All right, so no further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing of this case. All right, let's see what this looks like. Okay, here we go. All right, let me go ahead and take off this other case just to pop it off and pop it on, just to show you guys what the case looks like. Now, according to the box itself, it says it's form-fitting design, has a form-fitting design, access to all ports and buttons. Okay. And it's raised edge for screen and camera. All right. So let's go ahead and prop this on the Nuu Mobile G3 Plus. Now, what's different about this device is it has 4,000 milliamps of battery, and that's the real huge difference. And it's onyx black. All right, it's onyx black. Once again, it has that favoritism of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. All right, so keep that in mind. Alrighty, so here we go. We're gonna prop it in, as seen. Yeah, you definitely got more protection on this case. It's a little hefty, it's a little heavier, but the feel in the hand is actually better. It's actually better. Definitely gonna put this to the test run. All right, now let's unbox this pop socket from Nuu Mobile. Okay, so it comes with the mount. Now, I already have a mount in my car. I use the Text Now mount. It has a mount. You go put this on your desk or your wall and prop your phone up or tablet, which have you. So here's a mount, and here's the pop socket. As seen, and you use this basically on the back of your phone. So this doesn't have a clip. Stick it onto the phone, and you're good to go. All right. So let me go ahead and stick that on, show you what it looks like. Man, all right. So now you have a better grip of holding the phone for selfies or watching a movie or taking a family portrait. You have better grip. Not only that, you can use this as a phone stand, so you can watch movies on your table without holding your phone or what have you. There you have it. All right, now let's get to the main event, Mint Mobile. A lot of people on my YouTube, especially my subscribers, they've been wanting me to test this service out. So yeah, we're gonna put this to the test against FreedomPop, FreedomPop, Text Now, Google Fi. We're gonna put this to the test against all of them. All right, so basically, I like the presentation. this is pretty cool. I mean, Mint Mobile, I like the presentation. Shout out to Mint Mobile. All right, so it's just telling you how to get all set up. Here's the SIM card right there. All right, gonna prop that out. Okay. Right here is giving you 3 steps. Easy 3 steps to start get set up. You punch out the SIM, you insert the SIM, then you activate the SIM card through the website. And then also they have if you need help in Paul, just watch how-to videos on the website, ask questions through the community, or you could give them a call at their 1-800 number, or in this case 213 number. And they also include a SIM ejection tool kit. All right, so yeah, okay, so basically it's saying welcome. What you hold in your hands is so much more than a mere Mint Mobile SIM kit. It's a declaration that you've had enough of the wireless industry's little games. It's a peaceful protest against the tyranny of huge phone bills. All right, a line in the sand. On one side, business as usual. On the other side, you. So let's do this. Memo. All right. So yeah, there we go. All right. So 3 months of service, unlimited talk and text. Keep your existing number or get a new one. Memo.com. There you go. All right. So we got some good products. This is what you get when you get that G Plus, that G3 Plus bundle from Nuu Mobile. You have to get it from the website though. So go to usa.nuumobile.com. Go ahead, order one of these smartphones. It's a real good device. It's only $229, and everything else that comes with the package for free. So here we go, man. So shout outs to Nuu Mobile, shout outs to Mint Mobile, shout outs to Tudia. So hey, here we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. These are some great products, man. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Yeah, I recommend this, man. More companies need to do this. More companies need to do these type of bundles. All right. So leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm going to go ahead, set up Mint Mobile online, and I'll give you guys my 1 day later with Mint Mobile and all these other products. I'll do another video on that. But I'll check you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.